Welcome, gardeners! If you're looking for a productive and space-saving tomato variety, Roma tomatoes are a fantastic choice. They're perfect for home gardens, especially if you have limited space but still want a bountiful harvest. Roma tomatoes are known for their dense, meaty texture and few seeds, making them ideal for sauces, salsas, and canning. These compact plants produce plenty of fruit, and their bush-like growth habit means they don't need as much room as larger, vining varieties. Most Roma tomatoes are determinate, or bush varieties. This means they grow to a set height, typically around 3 to 4 feet, and produce all their fruit in a short period. This makes them easy to manage and perfect for small gardens, raised beds, or even large containers. With their compact size and abundant fruit, Roma tomatoes are a great option for any gardener looking to make the most of their space. Stay tuned for more tips on growing and caring for these versatile tomatoes. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening advice. Happy planting!